Hello and welcome to Tech and Bags. Today we will be talking about the Tribit StormBox Micro 2, which is a portable wireless speaker, macro in size, macro in sound. It's an amazing speaker that I use on a daily basis if I need a Bluetooth speaker. It's IP67 waterproof, it's Bluetooth 5.3, long battery life, superior sound, blah blah blah, and I can tell you it's amazing for the package. I think it's the best quality for your buck, like price, that you can buy. So let's get down to it quickly. You have the box, blah blah, it's orange on the bottom. Let's open it. You have some paperwork, we don't care. You have this device, here you have a USB-C to C cable, and the device in this little bag. Let's open it. You have the device. The device is very small, like you can see. Tribit, it's branded Tribit. It has kind of a soft material. You can see it. It's really nice. You have a plus for the volume, plus down, pause, play pause. You have some LEDs that indicate the battery life. You have the power button. You have the Bluetooth pairing mode. And you have this little thing, rubber thing, that you can attach on something, for example, on your finger. It's not really for this, but you can do something like this, okay? Then this is the back with the 4 rubber fits, okay? Now we will power it on. So let's power it on. You push the button. It takes some time to power on. That's it. Now it's on. The LED, the blue LED is blinking. Okay. Now we go to the phone. So let's go here. Now we are connected. Let's go on some no copyright music on YouTube. I will put it to the max. This is the max level. I don't know if you can hear the bass. If you want to pause, double tap, I think. Pause. Play. On tap, I think change the music or just pause. On YouTube, you just pause also. But when you're playing some other music, I think if you do twice, yeah, it goes to the next music. That's about it. What you have more? You can change music. Another feature which is really important is if you plug your phone or any device on USB-C with this, the Bluetooth speaker will be like a power bank, so it will charge your phone, which is a very, very handy feature. If you don't have a power bank and you only have your Bluetooth speaker, you can use it as a little power bank. So yeah, that's about it. It's a really, really nice Bluetooth speaker, really small as you can see, really powerful. It compares really well with the Bose, I don't remember the name, but there is a speaker that looks a lot like this one with the same attachment. Maybe it was kind of a ripoff from Tribit, but it's like 2 times less expensive and the quality is on the same par, if not better. So yeah, and you have USB-C that you don't have on the Bose. So you have a micro USB on the Bose. So just buy it. Just buy this Bluetooth speaker, it's really well. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, please. Subscribe. Thank you very much. Bye bye.